really is out there, isn't he? We've got to be able to defend ourselves. And if Umbridge refuses to teach us how, we need someone who will.
This is mad. Who'd want to be taught by me? I'm a nutter, remember?
Look on the bright side. You can't be any worse than old Toadface.
Thanks, Ron.
I'm here for you, mate.
Who's supposed to be meeting us then?
Just a couple of people.
Lovely spot.
Thought it'd be safer somewhere off the beaten track.
Hey, Betsy, come back here.
Hi. So, you all know why we're here. We need a teacher. Proper teacher. One who's had real experience defending themselves against the dark arts.
Why? Why? Because you know who's back, you tosspot.
So he says.
So Dumbledore says.
So Dumbledore says because he says. The point is, where's the proof? Potter could tell us more about how Diggory got killed.
I'm not going to talk about Cedric, so if that's why you're here, you might as well clear out now. Come on, let's go. They're just here because they think I'm some sort of freak.
Wait.
Is it true you can produce the Patronus charm?
Yes. I've seen it.
Blimey, Harry. I didn't know you could do that. And he killed a basilisk. With the sword in Dumbledore's office.
It's true.
Third year, he fought with about 100 Dementors at once.
And last year, he really did fight off you-know-who in the flesh.
Wait. Look, it all sounds great when you say it like that, but the truth is most of that was just luck. I didn't know what I was doing half the time. I nearly always had help.
He's just being modest.
No, Hermione, I'm not. Facing this stuff in real life is not like school. In school, if you make a mistake, you can just try again tomorrow. But out there, when you're a second away from being murdered or watching a friend die right before your eyes, you don't know what that's like.
You're right, Harry, we don't. That's why we need your help. Because if we're going to have any chance of beating Voldemort.
He's really back.
Right. First, we need to find a place of practice where Umbridge won't find out.
The Shrieking Shack.
It's too small.
Forbidden Forest.
Not bloody likely.
Harry, what happens if Umbridge does find out? Who cares? I mean, it's sort of exciting, isn't it? Breaking the rules.
Who are you and what have you done with Hermione Granger?
Anyway, at least we know one positive thing that came from today.
What's that?
Cho couldn't take her eyes off you, could she?
Right. Over the next few days, we should each come up with a couple of possibilities of places we can practice. We've got to make sure wherever it is, there's no chance you can find us.